Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical countertop microwave, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Countertop Microwave, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best countertop microwave from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GE Countertop Stainless Steel Air Fryer Microwave Oven. The GE Countertop Stainless Steel Air Fryer Microwave Oven is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that combines the power of a microwave, air fryer, and convection oven all in one. With a capacity of 1 cubic foot and 1,050 watts of power, this compact microwave is perfect for homes, dorm rooms, and offices. The air fry mode lets you cook healthier, crispier versions of your favorite foods, while the convection mode ensures even heat distribution for golden brown results. It also features a broil mode to sear and caramelize foods like a grill. The included crisper pan and wire racks enhance your cooking capabilities. Safety is a priority with a 2-step child safety lock. The glass turntable ensures even cooking, and the preset controls make cooking your favorite foods a breeze. This microwave is ideal for quick, delicious meals, offering convenience and versatility in one sleek, stainless steel design. Number 2. TOSHIBA Smart Humidity Sensor Countertop Microwave. The TOSHIBA Smart Humidity Sensor Countertop Microwave offers advanced features for a superior cooking experience. With a 1.2 cubic feet capacity, this microwave is perfect for heating larger meals such as a 12-inch pizza and features a humidity sensor to adjust the cooking time based on moisture levels, ensuring optimal heating. Operating at 1100 watts with 10 power settings, it provides precise control for all your cooking needs, including defrosting by time or weight. The ECO mute function helps conserve energy, and the mute function allows you to turn off the buzzer for quiet operation. The pre-programmed sensor menu simplifies cooking for popular foods like pizza, veggies, and potatoes. Its sleek black stainless steel design fits seamlessly into any kitchen. The large digital display and easy-to-use control panel make it simple to navigate. Plus, it includes a turntable for even cooking and a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Number 3. Black Decker Stainless Steel Digital Countertop Microwave. The Black Decker Stainless Steel Digital Countertop Microwave offers an efficient and sleek addition to your kitchen. With a compact size of 0.7 cubic feet, this microwave provides 700 watts of cooking power and features 10 power settings for precise cooking. Convenient pre-programmed buttons make it easy to cook popcorn, potatoes, pizza, frozen veggies, beverages, and dinner plates with just one touch. The large LED digital display and easy-to-read control panel allow for quick operation, while the 30-second express cooking function is perfect for reheating. This microwave also includes a child safety lock, ensuring peace of mind for families. A removable 10-glass turntable ensures even cooking, and the push-button door release provides easy access. Compact and stylish, this stainless steel microwave is perfect for residential use, fitting neatly on countertops. Plus, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty for added reliability. Number 4. Comfee ECO Mode with Sound On or Off Countertop Microwave. The Comfee ECO Mode Countertop Microwave is the perfect combination of functionality and energy efficiency. With a compact 0.7 cubic feet capacity, this black stainless steel microwave offers 700 watts of power and includes several convenient features, such as easy auto-cook functions for popcorn, potatoes, pizza, frozen veggies, beverages, and reheating. Its one-thick express cooking allows you to quickly cook for 1 to 6 minutes, or use the plus 30-second option for added convenience. The ECO mode helps save energy by reducing standby power by 50%, while the mute function offers a quiet cooking experience. It also features a child safety lock, a bright digital display, and a 10-inch glass turntable for even cooking. Perfect for residential use, this microwave fits easily on your countertop and comes with a 1-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Number 5. Farberware Easy Clean Gray Interior Countertop Microwave. The Farberware Easy Clean Gray Interior Countertop Microwave is the perfect combination of convenience, power, and compact design for busy kitchens. With 700 watts of output power, it offers a range of customizable cooking options, including 10 power levels and multi-stage cooking. The microwave features 6 one-tip options like popcorn, potato, and pizza, as well as defrost by weight or time for fast meal prep. Its 0.7 cubic feet size makes it ideal for small spaces, while the easy-to-clean gray interior ensures a hassle-free experience. A clear LED display, kitchen timer, and interior light make cooking easy, while the child safety lock provides added security. Whether you're preparing quick meals at home or in the office, this microwave has you covered. Farberware is here to help you create delicious meals and bring your family together. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.